Utilizing a functional medicine timeline has changed my practice in the sense that instead of just looking at a past history as this static list of things, utilizing that timeline helps me, as well as any of my patients. We can identify things that we didn't think of previously. And for example, if I see someone who had a lot of issues happen when they were 7 years old, infections, stomach issues, allergies, and then maybe they were okay until they get to college, and now they've had all of these different issues come up. Now they're having joint pain and hair loss and more stomach issues. What it allows us both to do is look back and say, hey, what happened when you were 7 years old? And then they can often identify, oh, there was, my parents got separated at that age. Okay, well, what happened, in your early 20s? Well, I was at college and I started my graduate program at that time. So being able to utilize a timeline and map out things with people, you're able to identify different things that I think often we don't think about some of these major life stressors as how they're really implicated in the disease process, and how we can then start to deal with those things that maybe haven't been identified. So from that standpoint, utilizing a timeline with my patients, and for me to utilize, before I go in to see that patient, it really gives me a lot of insight and pointed questions I can ask as well. It just seems to be an amazing tool for both of us because we're both learning things from it.